I like to review how to factor polynomials when your leading coefficient is greater than a, or greater than 1, And so we're talking about a quadratic, we're talking about a trinomial, and once again, the leading coefficient is higher than 1. So let me go ahead and explain to you how you do this. What you're going to do is you're going to multiply 7 times 4. In this case, it's 28. And you're going to rewrite it as x squared plus 29x plus 28. Then you're going to find the factors of 28 that will add up to give you 29, and we know that it's going to be 28 and 1. So we have parentheses. The first factor is x plus 28 times x plus 1. Now remember, we have that 7 that we went ahead and put to the side. Now what you're going to do is you're going to divide by 7. You're going to divide by 7. So one of the factors is going to be x plus 4. And since this is a fraction, and we don't want a fraction, it's going to be 7x plus 1. You're going to move it up, and it's going to be, the factors are going to be x plus 4 and 7x plus 1. Example 2, we're going to continue with factoring quadratics. And what you're going to do is you're going to multiply the leading coefficient 4 times 10. In this case, you get 40. And I draw this x so you can put the two factors that we can find that can add up to give you 22. That's what I'm doing. So you have x squared plus 22x. And then you're going to rewrite it with the number that we multiplied, the product that we got. So 4 times 10 is 40. So what two numbers do we multiply to get 40, but also give us the middle coefficient? Of course, you know it's going to be 20 and 2. So let's go ahead and rewrite the factors. Now I did put the 4 to the side, so that 4 is going to come to play at the end. So we have x plus 20, and you have x plus 2. So now you divide by 4, and so the first factor, 20 divided by 4 is 5, so you have x plus 5. 2 halves becomes 1 half. 2 fourths becomes 1 half. And since we have this in the denominator, you just have to move it to the top. So my linear factors are going to be 2x plus 1.